chicken tikka by my father. So let's begin. Mustard oil, 100 ml. Degi mirch, dhania powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, garam masala, yogurt, around like 200 grams. So guys, this recipe we are doing for like 4 to 6 persons, good enough. So like if you want to increase this recipe, you can go ahead, like you can at least like double the recipe. Mix the marination in a good way. Mix the marination. So the marination is now look ready, and it's now time to add chicken over it. So guys, this is basically a chicken thighs boneless, because the thigh is the perfect cut to do a chicken tikkas. So your chicken tikka, you don't have to worry about the chicken tikka, like if it can be cooked a little over, but this will not gonna come out dry. So just mix it nice in the marination, and after just leave your chicken for 3 to 4 hours into the marination so it can actually suck off. So guys, the chicken is pretty much ready, and it's almost like more than 3 hours into the marination. It's now time to skew our chicken into a skewer. Already start looking so beautiful. Just guys, just imagine how is this gonna be look like once it's cooked. This is the best snack, like if you are, it's a winter time, right, especially. So the chicken is skewed already, and it's now time to put the chicken on the grill. So guys, like this has to go in a tandoor. Tandoor is a kind of Indian clay oven, but we are in Canada, and like I really cannot set up tandoor in a home, right? Like, so we are gonna do a barbecue. So guys, it's -20 already outside, and it's crazy actually, you know, like barbecue is done, chicken is ready to go on a grill, and it's now time to throw the chicken on our grill. So let's do it right now. Fantastic music of the chicken. It's kind of like a nice musical song. So now we can cover our grill and give some time to the chicken. Let it cook. Okay guys, so this is the time to flip our chicken. Oh my god, look at the color on the chicken tikka, so beautiful. It's already looks so appetizing. So we're gonna like flip all over the chicken right now. Another like 10-15 minutes, and this is going to be ready. So guys, our chicken tikka is ready. and it's good to serve. Okay guys, so the chicken tikka is ready. It's now time to serve it. So dash of lemon juice on the top of chicken tikkas, going to make an amazing taste. You can serve your chicken tikkas with a chutney. We prepared cilantro and mint chutney in an Indian version. So here you go, serving chicken tikkas. Serving with chutney. How's it? Well marinated? Wow. So guys, this was a chicken tikka. Like this more amazing recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the like button and the bell icon for the future notifications. So see you next time and have fun. Bye bye.